Bedtime with Gitte. Amazing Aeroplanes by Tony Mitton and Aunt Parker. Amazing machines. An aeroplane's amazing, for it travels through the sky, above the clouds for miles and miles, so very fast and high. Whoosh! An airport is the place you go to take a trip by air. You check in at the terminal to show you've paid your fare. Departures. Flight cancelled. Flight AP770. The ground crew weigh your baggage and load it in the hold, and then you take the walkway to the plane when you are told. Look, it says Gate 7. The flight deck's where the captain and co-pilot do their jobs. They both know how to fly the plane with all its dials and knobs. They radio control tower to check the runways clear. They can't take off unless it is with other planes so near. Cleared for takeoff. By intercom, the captain on the flight deck says, "Hello. You have to do your seatbelt up before the plane can go."
Hello, this is your captain speaking. Hello, this is your captain speaking.
A plane is big and heavy, yet it climbs up really high. It zooms along the runway and soars into the sky. Whoosh! Its wings hold big jet engines, which are loud and very strong. They suck in air and blow it through to whoosh the plane along. When the plane moves fast enough, the air around's so swift, it pushes up beneath the wings and makes the whole plane lift. Soon the plane is in the air, so now you're on the flight. The cabin crew look after you and see that you're all right. They bring you drinks and magazines, a tray of food to eat, and sometimes there is a film to watch while sitting in your seat. When the journey's over, the captain lands the plane. Bum, 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 brrr, bum, 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 bum. Control tower have to say it's safe for coming down again. You sit with seatbelt fastened. There is a bumpy, rumbling sound. The wheels are making contact and the plane is on the ground. At last, the doors are opening. Then out you come with smiles. So give a cheer, for look, you're here. You've flown for miles and miles. Aeroplane bits. Control tower. From here, the air traffic controllers direct the planes and tell pilots when to take off and land safely. Flight deck, sometimes called the cockpit. This is where the pilot and co-pilot sit. Wheel. The wheels fold away while the plane is in the air. Hold. This is the space where heavy luggage is stored. Jet engine. Jet engines blow out air and gas to push the plane forward. The gas is made by burning fuel. Terminal. This is the building at the airport where passengers go to catch a plane. Wing. The wings are hollow to make them as light as possible and the smooth shape so they move through the air easily. Have you enjoyed this book? Well, I have, and I've also learned something new about planes. I hope you did too. Make sure you subscribe and don't forget, be good for Mommy and Daddy. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching and listening. You've been so good. And don't forget to follow me on social media. Subscribe and be good for your mommy and daddy. Bye-bye.